Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Realme 12 Pro. And let's start with translation. You can translate anything from one language to another using Google Assistant. And to do this, just ask, "Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger." Okay, and next one will be on how to count calories in the food. "Hey Google, how many calories in a burger?"
There are 295 calories in 100 grams of double hamburger.
Okay, next one will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is. "Hey Google, where are you?"
I'm in the cloud, but I'm also always here when you need me.
Your phone will make a sound and it should be easy to find. Now, next one will be on how to guide Google to tell you a joke. "Hey Google, tell me a joke."
I'll let you decide whether this one is sarcastic. Can a kangaroo jump higher than a house? Of course. Houses can't jump.
Okay, and the last one will be on how to plan anything in the calendar with Google Assistant. "Hey Google, can you add a reminder to my calendar that I need to play some games at 11:30 a.m.
Got it. I need to play some games at 11:30 a.m. When do you want to be reminded?
At 11:30 a.m.
Sure. I'll remind you today at 11:30 a.m.
Okay, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.